In this video, I'll show you how to complete the garter tab cast-on. The garter tab cast-on is commonly used for top-down shawls to create a seamless garter stitch border along the top edge. To create the garter tab cast-on, you'll need your knitting needles and yarn. Optionally, you'll need locking stitch markers or waste yarn for a lifeline to hold your stitches, or waste yarn for a provisional cast-on. While the cast-on amounts and picked up stitches may change from pattern to pattern, 4 steps remain the same. Step number 1, cast on the number of stitches for the border. Here I'll use the long tail cast on, but to make picking up stitches easier, you can use a provisional cast on and pick up live stitches in step 4. If you're using a traditional cast on, place stitch markers or a lifeline through each stitch you cast on to make them easier to pick up in step 4. Step 2. Knit double the number of rows as the number of stitches you need to pick up for the shawl body, creating garter ridges. Step 3. Without turning your work, pick up and knit the number of stitches in the purl bumps along the long edge for the shawl body. You may see some patterns that have you alternating knitting purl bumps with skipping a purl bump and making a yarn over instead. This keeps eyelets along the border continuing through the cast-on edge. Step 4. On the remaining short edge of the work, pick up and knit the same number of stitches as you cast on. That's it! You've completed the garter tab cast-on.